Welcome to the channel, guys. We'll be unboxing our new GoPro Hero 10. We got the extra accessory bundle pack. We'll go through some of the accessories that came with the pack as well. It actually looks really good. We got ours also with the media mod, so we'll do a bit of a sound comparison as well with the media mod and without the media mod. And we've got a bit of a wind here today as well, so it'll be interesting to see exactly how good it is and if it cancels that wind out as well.
Alrighty, let's get into the box. As I said, we got our GoPro 10 with the media mod. There was a deal on the GoPro website leading up to Black Friday and Cyber Monday that had both of these delivered for $620 Australian. And I thought that was a pretty good deal, considering that also came with a SD card. This is the bundle pack, the media mod, and a 12-month subscription. So this is the GoPro Hero 10. It's actually got Hyper Smooth 4.0. The SD card that it comes with is a 36 gig SD card. So the GoPro pack that we ordered was the bundle pack. It's got Hyper Smooth 4.0, and that also automatically uploads to the cloud when plugged in, when connected to Wi-Fi. This is a special bundle pack. It comes with a few extra bits and pieces that I'll show you in a sec. Let's get the package open and have a look inside. Straight off the bat, the case that it comes in is really handy. It's going to be quite useful to store all the parts. The first bit we've got in there is this clip. It's got a magnetic base as well. The clip's actually quite strong, which is really good. We've got a few mounts as well. So we've got the tool mount and the shorter mount as well. So this is a tool mount with the screws and the shorter mount too. The sticky base that it comes with is one of the curved ones, so this is probably good for attaching to your helmet or any other curved surface. The extras pack actually comes with 2 batteries, so that was part of the deal, getting an extra battery with it as well. They're actually the same battery as the GoPro 9 as well if needed. Got a little USB-C to USB-A charge cable. We've got this awesome little thing called the Shorty. So it's obviously a handheld mount with a metal screw there as well. And it is actually a tripod as well, so you can open these up and use it as a tripod. The mount does slide in and out and retract as well, which is great. And then obviously once the GoPro is mounted to it, it can be angled forward and backwards as well. Got all the normal paperwork, some instructions, some stickers, which is cool. And the instructions as well. Alrighty, the actual GoPro camera itself. The GoPro camera feels really good. We've upgraded from a 7 to this 10. We knew that the 9 was a little bit laggy with the back screen, and we did hear that they were releasing a new chip set in the GoPro, so we did wait out for that. This is actually what's come, so we're really happy with that. Some of the videos and reviews that we've seen so far have shown that it's actually really responsive and a really nice camera to use. One downside is that it does get a little bit warm if sitting still on some of the higher, more demanding modes that the camera offers, like the 5K Hyper Smooth with the horizon leveling. What we'll do is we'll pull the SD card out and we'll pop the SD card into the camera and we'll switch it on. This is my first time seeing the camera.
go.
Alrighty, popping open the media mod kit. Sound with the GoPro is probably not necessarily one of its strong points, but I have heard a lot of people say good things about the media mod. You will need to run probably an external mic, but I'm going to check it out today with just the factory built-in mic on the media mod. I'll also do a test later with just the camera, no media mod, just to sort of compare what they sound like together. We'll pop the box open and we'll have a look inside. You've got your normal instructions. It actually comes with a extra mount as well. It looks like a tool mount. And no carry case or anything like that, so probably keep that in mind if you're keeping the media mod on the GoPro all the time. I'm sure you'll be able to fit it back into that case if you take the cardboard out of the GoPro case. Again, this is my first time seeing the media mod in person, so it's quite interesting to have a feel and have a good look around it and see exactly how it works. I mean, it's quite simple and straightforward. Just uses that USB-C plug. There is a cover for the microphone that does clip on quite solidly. I don't feel like that will come off unless you were doing something pretty crazy with it. The other thing to note is I'm fairly sure that once the media mod is fitted, that the GoPro is no longer waterproof, so keep that in mind as well. Popping the microphone cover back off. Like I said, it's on there fairly solid. It's got two slide mounts and the side just pops open like so. And you do need to take the side door off of the GoPro, which does very carefully just clip off and on quite easily. Once it's off, set that aside and probably don't lose it. And the camera does just slide in. You can see the USB-C and the USB-C here, but they do slide in and line up quite easily. Once that door's closed, it can't move around. It feels quite solid in there, which is good. Pop that cover back on. And those little mounts that GoPro is known for pop down off the bottom of the camera, which is really, really good. One thing to note that I have noticed is that once you've got a mount or a handle fitted to the GoPro with the media mod, you can't actually remove the camera from the media mod, so you do need to remove the handle or the mount and then take the media mod off. Once it's all fitted up, it's got a flathead drive on the screw, the mounting screw there. Give that a little crank up and it actually feels quite solid. And with that tripod out, it does sit up nicely. It's quite firm and doesn't feel like it's going to fall over or anything like that. It all feels quite good and quite comfortable. I'm really impressed. Here's a close-up look of everything. I'm really happy with this. Let's check out the sound. Just quickly, another thing to note is the plugs to attach pretty much anything to this media mod. You can see the USB-C in the middle, and it's also got the 3.5mm headphone jack there as well, so you can plug headphones, microphones, all sorts of stuff into this media mod quite easily.
This is a test with the wind going at the moment. I've got the camera about 30 centimeters away from my head. There is a bit of a breeze coming from right to left across the front of the camera, a little bit onto the front of the face as well. So you should pick up a breeze if there's a breeze, or the camera will do a good job of cancelling out that breeze with the media mod. All right, this is the camera without the media mod. Again, the camera is about 30 centimeters away from my face, and we've got a slight breeze coming across the front of the camera. We've got a fair bit of background noise as well with the highway behind us, so there's probably a bit of background traffic noise as well. So it'll be interesting to know how this sounds.